This time I will show you how I make these fridge magnets. First I start with the newspaper, cut it on half, then fold in 3 equal pieces and cut in a folded line. Then I will need pencil and glue stick. I roll newspaper pieces like this to get longer straws, and then flatten it, and the same with the rest of newspaper strips. Then I take 3 straws and start rolling in a tight coil. Glue the end of it and then a little bit glue on the top to attach next one. And the same way attach the third one. I prefer the size what 3 straws make. Not too big, not too small, it's just right. But if you prefer bigger or smaller, it's totally up to you. This one's asking for more glue, I guess. Now this one won't open again. I made sure of it. And like this, you can roll as many as you like. I made 9 for this video. Next I will need PVA glue, any plastic container and a paintbrush and a little bit of water. Then I eyeballed the amount of glue I could possibly need to go over 9 rolls. Then add a little bit of water and mix it. I think it's well mixed now. Right now, the middle of the roll can be easily pushed. That's why I apply glue on the top, bottom and sides to keep all in place. And with fingers smooth the edges. Very sticky process, but worth it. And then let them dry. I use sweet box lid. It's plastic and glue doesn't stick to it. When they're dry, middle doesn't move anymore. Now because I want to paint these in bright colors, I have to use gesso as a base. So you can't see newspaper through it. And I paint white from all sides. If I would want to paint them black, I would paint with black straight away. I wouldn't need a white base coat, but because I'm going with the bright colors, they will stand out better on white. And here comes the colors. Different color for each roll. And the process of painting is exactly the same as for gesso. Just with color I went over twice for better results. After 2 coats, they look like this. Now I choose which is the bad side so I can glue on magnets. I think the diameter for these magnets are 15 millimeters. I can't remember correctly. But to glue them on, I use hot glue gun. You can tell that they're very strong because I can't even separate them. And like this, glue magnet on each piece. Now when they're all done, final part is to varnish them for the shine and paint protection. I varnish top part first, let them dry, and then varnish sides and around the magnet. And let them dry completely.
These. Am I gonna be in your video?
Mm-hmm.
So cute.
Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.